I want to talk to you quickly about Walmart Business Plus, and this is a full guide of the program. So, here is the general information I want you to really pay attention to. Basically, when you think about Walmart Business Plus, what is it really? Well, this is a membership program designed to help businesses and organizations like yours and mine save time, money, and hassle, right? It's all about really having this trifecta, really saving resources here. So as a business, you can, your business can actually access Walmart's everyday low prices. So you can really focus on your mission, which is generate revenue. Okay. So this is kind of cool, especially if you are thinking about the Walmart Business Plus as a long-term play. So let me give you a real fast the benefits of Walmart Business Plus. There are, I'm going to give you five, but there are actually way more. I just wanted to give you an idea, okay? Because the benefits might be different based on your specific niche, based on your specific sort of a shopping business shopping routine. But first, you have free delivery from store. So what happens here is that you get groceries and other essentials for your organization as soon as today. There is actually a $35 order minimum. Restrictions apply. Additional fee may apply for express delivery. Like if you want really things delivered real fast, Walmart will charge you for it. You have free shipping, no order minimum. So all items by Walmart ship for free. No $35 minimum required. And this excludes marketplace and oversized items. Location and freight surcharges may apply. You also have the ability to actually earn 2% back in rewards, so you can earn 2% in Walmart Business Rewards on orders 250 or more. So now there could be some exclusions that will apply, okay? You are able to control cost with spend analytics. You can analyze your spending patterns for insights that can help inform your budgeting decisions and buying policies. So in terms of cash inflows and cash outflows, you will love this Walmart Business Plus spend analytics. Really fantastic. And you also have limited time offers. So the cool thing is that if you are a Walmart Business Plus member, you will never miss limited time savings from top brands, especially because Walmart runs these promos every now and then. So if I were to compare, let's say, a Walmart Business Plus to Walmart Business, you have let's say a couple of differences. Let me explain to you. So basically, if you take Walmart Business and Walmart Business Plus, basically there are a few things that are similar. For instance, everyday low prices, curated catalog for businesses, up to 5 users per organization, tax exempt registration, automatic deliveries of your everyday essentials. So you have those kind of similarly, whether you go with Walmart Business or Walmart Business Plus. Now, Walmart Business Plus is actually setting you back $98 per year. Walmart Business it's not charging you, but the Plus is charging you. Now, what is included in the Walmart Business Plus, and then that's really triggering Walmart to charge you a little extra? Well, on the Walmart Business Plus, you have perks such as a free shipping, no order minimum. Remember, the free shipping, no order minimum applies to Walmart's own items, not marketplace items. You also have a free delivery from store, but this has a $35 minimum. Okay, you have the possibility to earn 2% in Walmart Business Rewards on orders 250 or more. So that's really good to really rack up more benefits. And the spend analytics is not included with the Walmart Business. Okay, now I'm just telling you the things that are not included in Walmart Business but are included in Walmart Business Plus. Okay, so when it comes to Walmart Business Plus, you have free shipping, you have free delivery from store, you have the ability to earn 2% in Walmart Business Rewards, spend analytics, you have limited time offers, and you have future premium features, feature premium capabilities. Those are included in Walmart Business Plus, but they're not included in the regular Walmart program. Now, the regular Walmart program doesn't cost you anything. As a business, you just enroll right away. Okay, of course, Walmart will make sure that you are a legit business. They'll ask you for your articles of organization or incorporation. They might ask you for a certificate of good standing from state authorities. But that's pretty much it. Nothing really complicated there. So when you think about Walmart Business Plus, again, I've said this before, but there is an annual cost of $98. So Walmart is not charging you on a monthly basis. They're charging you once a year, okay? $98. And this is kind of cool because this is like $8, a little more than $8 per month, which is really really worth it. As a business, if you analyze your cash inflows and cash outflows, and you look at the benefits that Walmart Business Plus is bringing to your company versus the cost, this is really worth it. Okay, and you can actually manage your Walmart Business Plus account really, really like seamlessly. So on your Walmart Business account page, everything happens there. So what's really included in Walmart Business Plus? Once you actually go to the business account page and confirm things there, well, you have free shipping. So with free shipping with no order minimum, what happens here is that you will see this in your account. So when you from your dashboard, you will see all the items that qualify for free shipping, and especially if there is no order minimum. Again, remember the items must be Walmart's own items. Okay, and you also have a free delivery from the store with a minimum order of $35. And the store has the good thing is Walmart hasn't put any radius limitation. Okay, like they're not saying like your company must be located pretty close to a store or what have you. No, no, no. They're pretty open. Okay. You also have the 2% rewards on order of $250 or more. So this is kind of cool because if you are a big shopper, if your business actually shops for stuff, or you are let's say you are organizing something real fast or real soon, having this sort of 2% rewards on orders of 250 or more is really good because it helps you save a lot of cash. It also helps you know that you can predict the amount of cash you have. So what you want to do is you want to be strategic when it comes to Walmart Business Plus shopping, because you want to time the your shopping in such a way that you are able to rack up as much benefits as possible. Okay, and this is what you want to do, especially you want to write down exactly the kind of shopping you want to do, and make sure that Walmart does carry those items at that particular time you're doing the shopping. Now, I was telling you a little earlier that your Walmart Business Plus actually is an annual billing process. So basically, the Business Plus plan automatically renews. Okay, so Walmart will charge your credit card the applicable membership fee on a recurring annual basis. And so, to avoid charges for a new term, you must cancel before the end of the current term. And you can cancel from your Walmart Business account page or contact Walmart Business Customer Care. So this is kind of cool. And so the cancellation is not really complicated. I mean, Walmart is not really trying to play games with you, trying to retain you as a customer, blah 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 blah. No, no, no. They're okay with it. I mean, they're providing a service, and they just want to make sure that the service actually is adding value to your life. And what we have seen in our research is that customers who believe that Walmart is adding a lot of value to their lives, they don't ask for cancellation. They never cancel anyway. Okay, they just enjoy the perks, and it is what it is. So basically, nothing really complicated, and you may cancel your Walmart Business Plus membership on your Walmart Business account or contact Walmart Business Customer Care. So again, nothing really complicated here. And who do you really contact for help with Walmart Business? Well, it really depends. If you need assistance, use the Contact Us button on the page, like on the website, to get in touch with, let's say, Walmart Business Customer Care. That way, you can really talk to someone and ask all questions that you may have, and that are just maybe making your life a lot harder. Now, one thing I want to say here is that when you contact the Walmart customer care, be sure to have done your research. Be sure to have all the questions written down. That way, you don't have to forget anything, because it is very complicated to contact Walmart Business Service, because they're just so busy. They're busy, and especially now that Walmart has invested significantly in online shopping. Basically, you have a very very busy customer service. Let's say a busier customer service. So just plan that, and just know that you might have to spend I mean, you might have to spend several minutes on the phone. Now, let me talk to you about the requirements here. When you think about Walmart Business Plus, what are the requirements this year? Okay, so basically, what happens here is that you have to create an account. So everything starts with creating an account. So create a Walmart business account for your organization to manage all purchases in one place. And the cool thing is that Walmart has two types of accounts. You have the Walmart Business Free account, and then you have the Walmart Business Plus account. So the Plus account actually has a lot of perks that come with it, and there is a business verification process. So for security, Walmart will verify new registrations during sign up, and they will only notify you if they are unable to verify your organization, and they may temporarily suspend your account. So to speed up the process, make sure that you give Walmart the correct information. And if it fails to verify, they may close your account permanently. So be very careful there. So primary admins will get an email with a link to verify your organization, and buyers and admins will get an email to contact their primary admin. So once verified, a green check mark that is, will show next to your organization name in My Account. So this is pretty straightforward. And the primary admin is the person who creates your business account and organization. So go to Manage Users to learn more about these roles. And so you go to businesswalmart.com, create an account. So you just want to fill in the required fields. Pretty straightforward here. So like things like first name, last name, business email. You can create a password, and then you select next step. You want to enter the required fields. Here I'm speaking about the registered organization name, the employer identification number, the EIN, your organization phone number, the street address, the city, the state, the zip code. So pretty much everything that can really identify your organization, okay? And select submit. Pretty straightforward. So if your business already has an account, all you have to do here is that the primary admin invites you to join Walmart Business and then upgrade to a Walmart Business Plus, and you will receive actually an email request. So the email request will be pretty secure, so don't worry about it. And select Join Walmart Business and complete the account registration process. So the cool thing here is that everything can happen within a few minutes. It's not really complicated. Now, if Walmart has to verify your business, that's when they take more time. So let me give you a few extra considerations here. I was speaking to you for the last 10 minutes about Walmart Business Plus. But what about Walmart Business, like without the plus, okay? So Walmart Business is a new way for organizations to shop. So this is actually a tailored experience that helps serve organizational buyers to focus on what matters most, okay? You can save time, money, and hassle. So this is kind of cool. And all you have to do is that today you can create an account. When you create an account, you are automatically, and this happens automatically, without Walmart billing you, you are automatically considered a Walmart business, okay? And you can really enjoy low prices from a brand and community that you know and trust, Walmart, of course. And you have an offer offers specific to business needs with over 100,000 products. That's really good in terms of variety. Only the Sam's Club can really get closer to that. You have tax exempt programs for registered organizations that qualify. That's really cool. And you also have flexible delivery options. So what happens here is that for your business, you can have a same day delivery. You can have regular shipping, or you can have a pickup. So you have a lot of flexibility there, okay? You can also view purchase history across your organization for spending trends. You can really see what's working, what's not working. You can see the chronology of your spending. You can see also the timing, okay? Chronology, but also timing. And you can empower your team with a multi-user account. So the cool thing is you can manage users with up to 5 per account. They have additional logins and password. So that's kind of cool. And you can also have a shared payment method across users. So from an organizational point of view, this centrality of things, this holistic approach is really good. And if you want more benefits, you have to pay for the Walmart Business Plus. Okay, that's why they're charging you $89 per year. No, sorry, $98 per year. Okay, so that's for the Walmart Business Plus. If you want more benefits. Otherwise, just get the regular Walmart Business account And this is kind of cool. So if you are ready to sign up, the person who creates a business account for your organization as the primary administrator, they have full account permissions and the option to invite users. So this is really cool. Let me share with you a strategy before I close to this conversation. So, if you want to really take advantage of Walmart Business Plus the right way, you want to spend strategically to save more. Okay, you want to actually pay attention to something called Limited Time Offer Center. So, this is actually the LTO center. It really everything happens there. So, when I say spend strategically to save more, smart shopping is all about picking the right moment to buy, right? It's all about seasonality. It's about chronology. So at Walmart Business, you know that you can really take advantage of the spending patterns of every organizations. Okay, that's why Walmart has curated a list of special offers that can help your business thrive. Okay, so they call it their limited time offer center, so the LTO center, and it's really exclusive to Walmart Business Plus members. So what's the LTO Center? The LTO Center is actually a page on the Walmart business site that presents a slew of rotating deals, and you can get an exciting sneak peek at an offer on tools like Zoom or Square Plus, Square Invoices, or you might discover a deal on management training or for a streaming service to play on televisions in your office. You don't need to be a Walmart Business Plus member to browse the available offers. As soon as you see the one that you like, you can start your membership and claim it. So that's kind of cool. Now, of course, if you already have a membership, just log in, visit the offer center, and claim your offer with a single click. So again, the process here is pretty straightforward. Regardless of whether your membership is trial or paid, you can actually you can enjoy perks right away. And so if you want to get the most out of the limited time offer center, you want to periodically change the deals that actually they're available to you. Because the cool thing is that if you are a Walmart business member and you change the deals in the LTO center, you are able to access way more than before. Okay, so if nothing on the page appeals to you, don't worry. There will be new offers very soon because Walmart, with its size, is constantly adding new events. So the best way to use the LTO center is to check it regularly. You can feel assured that you are seeing every deal and capitalizing on the ones that would help the most. So basically, the bottom line is that you have to really see what works for you, whether you want to go for the regular Walmart Business membership or the Walmart Business Plus membership. Everything depends on your company, on your shopping needs, on your cash inflows, also because Walmart is charging you $98 per year. So what's the quota here? In today's conversation, I gave you a guide on Walmart Business Plus. I gave you the general information, the requirements, the extra considerations, the strategy, the quota. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.